Volodymyr Zelensky delivers rousing speech. Former VP Mike Pence warns GOP. Live updates. Yes, sure. The fire at Europe's largest nuclear power plant that prompted widespread concern about a nuclear disaster has been extinguished. Associated Press USA Today. The Russian advance on Kyiv remained largely stalled on Friday while a fire at Europe's largest nuclear power plant was extinguished following a Kremlin attack that drew worldwide condemnation. Other Russian offensives were pushing ahead. An armed force in southern Ukraine made significant gains in an attempt to cut off access to the sea. The attack on the Zaporizhzhia power plant facility caused a fire at widespread fear of a disaster similar to the 1986 Chernobyl accident, which occurred about 65 miles north of the Ukrainian capital. Ukraine's Minister of Foreign Affairs of Ukraine tweeted, "If it blows up, it will be 10 times larger than Chernobyl." There was no indications of radiation leaking, according to a senior U.S. Defense Department official. Nuclear power plants are not designed to withstand military attacks, underscoring the recklessness of the assault, added the official, who discussed intelligence reports on condition of anonymity. The Russians apparently captured the plant with an eye toward controlling the Ukrainian population, a senior U.S. Defense Department official said. Operating the plant would allow them to deliver power or to withhold it to punish Ukrainians. At an emergency Security Council meeting after the attack, Ukrainian UN Ambassador Sergei Kyslytsky accused Russia of committing an act of nuclear terrorism. He told the council his Russian counterpart was laying over a claim that a Ukrainian sabotage group was responsible of setting fire to a training facility at the plant. He said several buildings were damaged and one part the facility was experiencing an outage. Meanwhile, the Russian advance on the capital of Kyiv remained largely stalled about 15 miles from the city center. The official said Ukrainian forces have hindered its progress by blowing up a key bridge and attacking vehicles in the convoy that stretches for 40 miles. Thought bogged down, the Russians continue to shell Ukrainian cities, striking residential areas and civilians infrastructure, the official said. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky will talk to U.S. senators on a video conference call Saturday morning, means today, according to a person familiar with the invitation from the Ukrainian embassy. A Russian major general was killed in action fighting in Ukraine, a blow to the Kremlin and a rare occurrence for such a senior military official. Maj Gen Andrej Sukhovetsky, the commanding general of the Russian 7th Airborne Division, was killed earlier this week. The death was a rarity in modern times. Since the end of the Vietnam War, only one US general has died in a combat zone. Maj Gen Harold Greene died in Afghanistan in 2015. Ukrainian's military has begun enlisting civilian drone pilots to help with surveillance in the effort to repel Russia's invasions. Armed forces leaders have asked enthusiasts to donate aircraft, and if they are experienced flyers to volunteer as pilots. If you like my videos and my new update and my news, then please my channel subscribe, like, and my channel is share. More to more my channel share. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.